Welcome guys, welcome back to JAMMIWOOD. So this is the movie when I we're on 15 and pregnant part 8. See it here, so no watch it. Make we know where we're going. Comment down below. What them for do?
Subscribe, hit the notification button, and give us a like. Give us no subscribers, cause when we're gonna fly across the country when.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing.
JAMMIWOOD Studios.
Love is real. That take me heart out of my chest and give to you, give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue, never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true, love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of, you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. And I walk through the forest just to get to you. I even walk on a crocodile back. I even climb in the treetop just for you. Take a bullet, run with a grenade. I die for you. This is true love. You have me feeling some sort of way, girl. What you doing to me got my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let 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 love be free.
Yeah girl. You know because I'm a fire line now, and some of them wet up, so one of them dry, me have them a come here. Yeah, then me a carry come. Just add one bike ride. Yeah girl, the baby clothes are ready wash out. You see one pin under one brownish looking one white one. I want shoes and see up there. What I mean when I talk, the baby clothes them where they wash. Yeah, so some of them still wet and the dry one them me have. Pin under. You see some pin under. And I used to want shoes too. So I have them there. Yeah, I see one shoes. Yeah, I just call the taxi and so I carry them come.
Baby clothes. What's somebody? If you have no money for buy baby clothes, you know, I get free little clothes. Alright. Take it.
Alright.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, I wanna talk to your phone. I'm waiting till you're done.
Where you go?
We got something there. What in that bag?
I some baby clothes in my bag. I will get this.
The glasses?
Yeah.
I get it from my auntie.
Oh, nice.
You don't know if you're grandma.
Okay.
You know, so me and your friend, right?
Yeah, me and your friend.
So if me and your friend give me more money where you're not use.
None of money for me now. Later me come check you and give you money, eh? If I go check me later.
Not do with that, man. When me get bigger and have more money, when I not use me, that
Yeah, but me not have money for me for two. I'm going to check you later and give you money, yeah?
I gotta hurry up and work before grandma look for me. Cause he is miserable.
Alright, take your time and go on. Me box. Then where your bag gone? I pick up the bag when I go. I know them bad people that can come to people. They can't bad now. Sister, because I don't care for the man. You just call your way. I dream me that you know me just call you a while ago say me have it close the jar, right? Me dey on the bridge, sit down. Me want little girl that talk as I come and find phone with it. The bag missing. Me looking at the drain, me look everywhere, looking at the bush. The bag gone. And these are must crosses. Me know when you feel like I sell a picking them clothes, you know. A picking clothes them, you know. Me I tell you say a bag missing. Like a garden and rapture. You know which time that which breeze pass and take me about it missing. So you just have to go use the rest of them. When them they dry, me carry come. And me send them back a money, make you buy them back. Alright. Again, sashing yan along. So I'm gonna, you alright?
Yes, Master. Yeah, give God thanks for another day in life, you know? I just want to say you alright.
Me alright, baby, alright. The doctor them say your full time thing come.
So you did get money for the ultrasound and say you know what kind of baby you have?
No, I'm just going to the regular clinic.
Oh, you know more than you know ultrasound. That's me like surprise.
Alright, wait, the phone alright. Hello?
How go on, babes?
Me there, you good?
Yeah, man, me good, man. You still don't at that place, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, I told me they did a little bit from there, you know, me there up at the top of the road or something, but I don't know why you over there, so I don't really come. I saw something for you, you see me, so I don't know if you could have come out or something for them.
Alright, me I'll come.
Alright.
You don't take a walk. Church me legs them.
Yeah, man.
You walk up on the road, so something for them.
How you call me?
I'm a friend them.
Okay. Next time, go down the stairs and I'll come down and I'm video.
Yeah. We are chat. Oh God. Come if you welcome to Bob. You You can't come meet me top and look for me.
Or if I want to come now and stop calling and come out of the sun, what do you?
Who you talk to?
I'm tired.
Baby, alright.
Yes.
That's one thing we can come guess to me. Alright, so you're to go now. You understand? I'm not done pay for them, you know. Okay. So
Yeah, tired.
You see if the baby forward now and a PNP thing, you have the orange. You understand? Right. If you say I go green, Labour right, we have a green. Alright. See if you want to go old school now and you want to just rocky fashion way, we have a white. We have a white theme. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. You can assign, but we're not done pay for it yet. You understand?
You want like a second arm?
No, sir. I got something. So see them have whole pack clothes, sir. And thing.
Oh, thank you.
And a whole heap, but
Thank you for standing up as a man and bring them here come. But like a second hand things do, but thank you. I
I don't know if a
appreciate
girl
it.
or boy, no, but look like him go come in a election time.
Me like this. Me like this to me baby. This will fit me baby good.
Yeah,
Me like them as me.
I want to look shots. Alright.
If I want a girl. So, me like how you stand up as a man and come forward and doing what you must supposed to do.
But
Me say I say you couldn't come down so because so you know say my godmother done there and my godmother not tree like you.
Glad I know me
So-
not come down there, but alright, you hear this go now.
Yes.
Yes, you. You see this now, you see you not done pay feet. So me get them one man. You understand?
How long she gone? I could have wish she gone to. I wish friend that. When if a son or a dirty friend they will lead her astray, she go breathe before time. You know, so me I go look at her. I need to see how she a chat to. I want to know which girl that called you. Same thing I did do. I'm going to go breathe. Go friend. This and friend that. And trail you. We have to see who you chat to today.
Thanks, but yeah. But in next time do better on the shoes. But
Me know,
me
man.
thank God. Come. Yeah, stop as a man and me love a relationship are going good now.
But anyways, when you can't see Riri, you don't see her. You can't see me normally call me, I can't hear from him, you don't know what she did.
Bob, me and you they are so good and happy. But the baby say something like a man. You come and talk about Riri. What you concerned about Riri about? Where you Riri about Riri? Where you want Riri for call for?
No.
Marissa, you ever want to upset my stomach? You ever want to upset me day? Ever want this girl foot? Come up here, so. Come up here, so, two boy. Come up here, so. Come up here, so, man.
Just take
What's wrong with you?
Take time with me now.
You can't talk about Riri. Eh? I'm going to shoes in the head.
You can't, right, listen up. Me just have to say if you don't see her, if I me not see her.
You still asking about Riri. About Riri. You still asking about Riri. You can't call me back about Riri. You're rich in a business.
No, I know Riri.
I want. So yeah, where did you say that?
Imagine
Where did you say
imagine
that?
me close going here and look how you deal with me.
How may I deal
You
with
show
you?
us I'm responsible. I'm a responsible young man.
How are you going to put we are doing me got that?
No, me can't close going here for baby because me is a responsible big father and she
Eh?
What you are doing with my goddaughter? We up at them a community.
No, listen up.
My goddaughter don't know where around here so about me come and me carry baby clothes and me this and me that you full of excuse. Where she do around here so?
No, you're not stay on the place.
Drape him up. Drape him up back. Me need to tell you let him go here.
What?
Drape him up back.
Now show me when you come.
Drape him up back.
Oh, what's up?
Give me the bag.
See me back foot.
Drape him up back. Me never tell you to let him go.
Who got some?
Yes. I'm looking at the bag.
Yes.
Where you get them from my teeth? Your teeth them?
I pay me $2.
You pay down pound. Baby close to come give me. My goddaughter.
I buy them same way so I get half by something them. Me get half by clothes them.
You sure say a new brand something
I
then?
knew about something.
Because this a pitney here. Now we're nowhere and live.
No.
Not under God's son.
This if you decide labor right, him go labor right. If you decide to say a PNP, him go PNP. If you in between, you know you want just want to go straight the white in there.
Let's shoot them where you see. Look at the shoot them.
You see you?
Nice, nice shoes.
Let him go. Are you me fi drape up? You know say I want idiot.
Here go.
I want to hear what this boy they come put the baby when a ban it in a politics. I want to hear what you must
No,
say.
it look like a election game a ban.
So what does that have to do with it?
So him have to come out and know what he want.
Me tired.
The baby have to come out and know what he wants. So now put him in a green and orange and you don't know nothing yet. We are going in the world.
That's how you have the white. The white that is being confused.
I don't know hurt me straight in.
See that mixed too, if you want to look the color.
I look like white one like
You buy this?
Yeah?
You buy this? Eh?
Can look wash out.
Yeah, then,
I know agree when I fax and them coming up. And they look saying up. Because I put in an extra. It's fax ain't gonna ask about Riri.
no, me never asked
Taylor,
about it.
you make God that but there's a hypocrite against it. Towards your baby, against your baby father and yourself. There's a fool. Me can bet say, as when me not hear you up here so they nice him up and I love it up him up soon come to your what left.
Is that money here for them?
Although they smell new.
Because they are new.
They smell new but the boy will spray perfume on them.
What's it? Jordan.
That book there.
Jordan.
This is not Jordan, you can't read and see a Nike.
Now look on that one.
See they pick up done man. What is?
You see a Nike, you don't see that.
You know see.
You see
Why
that.
word? You see Jordan pan this and you see a Nike.
See Jordan sign it, Jordan something.
This look good though, that one you look new.
You say look on the boot them. You have two boots come, look on them.
And this
Look on the two boot them.
so hold on. At this him bring come for the baby.
Yeah.
Two different footer shoes.
Yes. Lend me one.
I'm confused.
Hold this. Tie the bag. Cause then the baby can wear them. They look like they can wear. So whether they new or they old, you better satisfy them because they're not working, you're not too ungrateful.
Alright.
Hold this in your hand. Which hand you use?
Tahania.
Right hand? Put in right and hold this up. So, hold it. Come here.
No, we
Where take me? Where take me?
We are no, sir.
No, Bob, turn up right there, so. Me ain't no size, you know, boy. Remember, say me can be your man.
Put in that hand, can you take that side, so put in that hand. Put on your hand.
What kind of, what did you just do?
Me take
Blood
food in
people
your hand.
in my head.
Stop ask about Riri.
I got, wait, what you say?
He asked about Riri.
What you say? Where you say the one so? So you're the ask woman in front of my goddaughter?
Yes.
You are.
Where you can
Allah about girl.
You know what? You're too bright. Give me this. Take care. I'm going to trap you up money. Give me this. You're too bright about Riri. So Riri you buy chain for. Take it off.
Right.
Take off it.
Take out your foot. Take out your foot. Take out your foot.
Take it off. Take them off.
Emma.
Give me. Hold this. You can sell them and buy baby clothes.
Right.
The bright thing. Why you at?
Why
Why? Why? You're too bright and style me goddaughter. You're bright. Mind not pick me and go look up. Must it thief it, baby clothes them and a chat about a pay down for them. One time he say pay down for them, you criminal, and one next time he say pay for them. If you ever this a boy a breed you again. When you a baby and get back hard, make sure say you go look work, not go there back with them at all. Baba crosses, Baba thief and he can't even read. Bob call Nike, Jordan. Yeah. So if you don't mind chop your picnic on don't soccer bat.
Me picnic on don't soccer bat. But if shot like you run going and the hand so underpants.
You know say me not like your style. All you not take for your book at school, you know. You come back here sir to me.
Baby to the hotel, Come on the hotel, you want to see me fire road.
Come here. Oh, you must me take this time, you know. So anything you there for me and you're too out of that. Take it. Give me.
How this here?
You're too out of that. How hold this bag I said? You know you can take you and put your baby pampers them in a hit. Take your phone, sell them, me nah bother take none. Go on. I tell me sorry for you're pregnant. Right now, I two buckets of water be buy since while. And as they give me drink, you want to hear the people them in the shop. They big hungry man. Me thirsty, me the way time hot, God no. Me need to drink water more often.
Oh God.
The water that we buy tastes good though. Unusual water. And I pick up idiot one when me always buy.
So buy vitamin water?
No man, that one is different, but it is more expensive.
You think salt good for the baby?
I just say no. Oi! You know something not even notice say and your mom so much salt. You want your pressure to rise up. The salt give you baby protein. You're not supposed to eat so much salt. It is not good for you. What me say? It is not what?
Good for you.
For you. May I breathe? Too much salt not good for you. When you go to clinic, the doctor they don't tell you that are a nurse.
Yeah, but right, I can tell you something. I can't wear with a baby anymore. Sometimes I start to breathe. Oh, but bloody people be a problem.
You not say here about your mother. Now what?
If I find some way over ruin my mood.
Sure. What do you mean?
If I find some way over just grieve me.
Are your mother, you know, Kayla? Are your mother? You feel love your mother. Stop behave so.
My mother not there right now, my mother alright.
And your mother and your father so that your days may be long.
I love my mother but I can't tell them to disrespect my mother. Right now my mother good. What day I get some money from Bob, I send $100 US for game.
You send $100 US to your mother? Yeah. And the amount that what is it? Bob give you money?
Yeah.
You can send money go give your mother?
A regular Bob give me the US them, but me just spend them off now one day at time and eat.
And then you tell me say you're hungry and Bob no give you nothing.
But you can't carry them for me, please. Get down for me.
And then you say, all them the money the way you say Baba give you. All $100 US to take your mother. And when they tell me, oh you're hungry and you eat from money. So like you did that tell Bob?
Yes.
You know, I'm not continue the conversation here, you know. Because yeah, I me start disbelieve you. I don't know when you talk the truth, I don't know when you tell lie. But you need to stop it as a baby. You go born as a liar, grow as a liar, live as a liar, and dead as a liar. You need to stop it, man. You're a big woman now. Big old girl like you. When you breathe, you turn woman, then you know before time.
Yeah man, burn it down.
Yeah man, that not sound bad. Yeah, what time the plane go land? Yeah man, we can't make it man, we can't make it. So what you do does, let me know say payment straight forward and thing. Yeah man. Alright, alright. Welcome to Hanover. Blessed Jaja. Oh, Sunday tradition. Money down. Yeah. No, I can't take on chat here now. Yeah, me get a call for go pick up somebody from the airport. Somebody from my way I come to be here now. We don't know what time I come back down, you know. We don't know what time the plane will land. Yeah, well, no, I can't talk too much on the phone up and drive me a drive. Alright. Tomorrow. Put off that to tomorrow. Remember, so I can't go no further distance, you know, but put off it till tomorrow. Alright. Yeah, man. How long now since you left yard?
10 years long, man. 10 years ago to 11 years. 10 and a half years now, I see me that time.
Yeah, man.
Where place I run?
Place I run, that's as 10 years ago. No changes. Same separation. But them build up on million dollar sign. I can't make you see it, man. Right on the roadside, that's where man. Yeah, man. Right. Then say how much million then take and build it. About 12 million. You can look on the money.
Just the sign, Negril.
Yeah, man. You can take a look on it.
I see what I mean. Make it that I can see. Red thing and go out. I like a solid material, I like a gold.
That's a Jamaica business, you know? I don't know why they put it on Lucy though.
I will not catch niggle yet.
So you say, don't put it too far, cause
And them one gone. I want them.
when you're so build up.
Yeah, man, them build up in what there, man. And them build already and they refurbish it. Plant coconut tree pan, you know.
Be serious over there, you know that.
Yeah, man. You know, so I know we own it though. And a Jamaican.
Finally money.
Yeah. So you have to try and come buy something in the yard, you know. You can't do a yard and farm food. Grab piece of them and you. So my time when you are going to half of them, you try to learn two Chinese language. Come on, that time. That means they will sell it fast. Watch out, see that? Down place like home. I don't know what they might be over there. But I guess it's up on the internet though. Yeah, I don't know what they might be. Jamaica slap man, we are import all ice and yard, you know. Look more fridge, people over the yard, we are import ice. Hold one of the white to them one at a time. Come on.
No one or two might think them this thing. And they are firing a black woman with the youth said, you know. Yeah, car. Well, I don't know, I just from wire, man. You see?
Yeah, man, to each their own, man. I have no problem, man. Man, Jack created.
Why you make me a fake star?
I will take part time.
It's a black car before.
So, some people I say she can't. Boyfriend says she have 2 men, but I said, you don't know about the business, so you go with the next man can't she? But she didn't near for her baby now, she did on her 8 month, you know? So you know, so 1 more month her baby born.
Bring the daughter a foreign with me, you know. Because I see a woman in my youth, this is some mother my youth. If you make one little girl like that have man, boyfriend, till you go here say she pregnant. Yo. Yeah, you see as a big people, you have to can control the picnic them, brother.
And you know, say, I want a young boy today. In that breed out everyone at the 15-year-old girl them.
Me no business if a young 15-year-old boy, you know. If me there with my daughter, no boy. They have to just dare on her and know that dare him there on her. No boy can't put them on pa. Yo. But this time I'm gonna bring her back same way with me. And then go back.
Well, you better carry her back. I the youth in talk, she talk about every time. Every time she come in the car, I can hear she talk about the baby father. But the baby father have a couple girl pregnant in about 2 of them pregnant right now too. Yeah man. Them things that go on. I mean never stress her out and she can't have a place that she don't do, you understand?
Or probably show her some time for you to come.
Them gonna have a place that she don't
lock off.
Yeah.
So show still I'm fine now.
We're back in the town now. See town now. I remember I saw it for FK 10 years ago. But that's how I look at now. Then they have one club of attack.
Look kind of new, you know. I really look old again. One time you can have a show.
Yeah man, so winners are so. Bike stand and bag and so. Burn it down. All I with them turn bike taxi, you know. Easier if we go over in the village, you jump on a bike taxi, you know. I just want to youth them keep the bike on the 2-wheel though. It's my time them afraid of them on the road man with the 1 wheel. What sweet guy so?
Yo, let me have fun from my house. Let's make a car.
Up be mother you go?
Yeah man, come on, safe. Get to the doctors.
Yeah man, them attempts are killing you for win still. I'll carry you up there. Burn it down! Most of them watch you moving and I don't know the movie.
Alia. Alia. Alia.
Diamond. Oh, Diamond sister. Where Diamond there? Alright, run for the regular spot. Alright, make me soon walk that way there. I think it's one hot now, so don't pull up the good. But if she reach back up a yard before we reach on our shop, you call her. You make she call me back on my phone, you hear? Alright. Sun too hot. If the breeze out at the end of her, retired. So on your back now? I don't make clear on my nails.
You know what I mean? Almost not sure if you're alright. I don't say no man.
Then no bab that. Let me go, so I fear George up on the bed.
No, watch out.
I fear George up on the bed. I fear clothes.
Your mother panty and something.
Your mother that's so small. Your mother big. Leg off for me.
No,
Leg off for me. Leg off for me for me licking you. Leg off for me. Leg off for me.
Watch out, I can't. Time to hear, I heard. No. You know.
You got it. Let me go. Let the man alone. You got it. Let me go back. Bob, is it about one to make you can't beat me, Bob? No one.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Relax. Here. Watch out.
bitch let you feed on.
Let me go back.
Look on the baby.
Let me go. Yeah, this one. Next one. Ready for running the yard? Come over here, sir. Up here, sir. Come over here, sir. Come over here. Come over this. Come over this one. Come over here, sir. Come over here, sir. Stand up. Go. Stand up. Let me go. Let me go. Listen to me now. It's a relationship I need to work properly. Cause me not understand. Are your hood job broke?
You can't go in and fight everybody you see.
Me don't get that me baby father.
Mama, it's an embarrassment.
Who's embarrassment?
With you.
Me not business.
Back at me.
I don't care. You say what I'm bam so. Me what I'm bam for? Let me pick me.
Come good on now. Take up your phone and come.
Me don't know where they.
See there, take up your phone.
Take it up. Me can't bend. Me don't like it's an embarrassment. I don't mean an embarrassment. It's an embarrassment.
Mama, listen, you're for the hotel. Understand and relax yourself and relax with the baby. You're there to fight, come on, what do you?
So I park your park me and the pan road with my best friend.
No, listen now.
My best friend get the pan road with. So I park your park up me. Show me a breed you want to park me.
You don't park you but you for retirement.
No.
I want big one.
Me not retire. I have not retired. Me can retire and fight. Breed or not breed, me I defend me man. You're mine.
Listen now. Relax. We reach a part there, you have baby, you fit there yard and relax. And you fit there villa and relax yourself. You out there hackle up the baby.
At the road, me come from
and the baby come out and leave and fight. My heart come out, the baby.
Me come from road and say me I go something there.
Miss,
Me come from road and say me I go, as business me come from road to deal with. Business. I say me I cool off first before me go look at drive. Come in this one hot and me can't walk go all the way and Namprel. Eh? Tell me now.
Come go.
Tell me come go where I go.
We just did, eh?
Come follow me go put me on drive before you go work. Come to say I work, you're going to back with the girl. Come follow me go. Go put me on taxi and I'm me up. And then the girl kill me.
Man, stay there so far, me and Jack be a ball out and say, here, don't move.
Look at me, you know, just stay there.
Come in and kill a baby mother.
How much man that look me at the period of time that look me? Plenty man that look me, but no. I chose you and you come and style me to me and breed. And me and people man, you look for me and tell y'all say, y'all left me best and come back to y'all. Don't worry.
Just relax.
No, me I relax.
Come on,
no. I feel like me just put people on taxi.
People,
Me no people.
Yeah man, the restaurant up and you buy the food. It's a good restaurant.
Yeah.
A long time I know them now. When I was a boy. So you blow down so hard. When you see you blow down wicked, how do you know an idea?
I thought we just going to pull on side.
You know, so you need a ring. Because every time you see a beer fighting in the pan, you know, so I pick me now, you're not supposed to put on the fight in a long time.
Yeah, man. Barrel next to me, I'll pick me.
Oh, God, though.
The boy about me top style, you're not going to catch him man, the dusty girl, Mona.
That's not your best friend named Mona?
My best friend anymore. Best friend, not take your man.
It's all like
Yeah, kill my man.
No, I'm not for your friend, not for your friend, but the one when they really, the mother, I want them to carry the mother up and down, you know. That's why when I go on trip, we carry her come around there and she said, when I go on trip and whatever. So I look for his daughter, can't find his daughter. But me I tell him, so nothing more than his daughter can take bull.
After two.
One more bull for the bull when you have already.
Yeah.
The woman I said, no, I say, I swear for his daughter. I say, I can't swear for nobody.
That's what I like. Man in that I take.
And unfortunate now we can go with man and you get back your man.
Good.
Cause why?
But Mona need to find a man.
So next one go with the man again?
Let me see me a fight. Let me fight. Girl, my man.
Boy. fight too much?
No, man, I don't fight too much. I'm playing fighting now because me I get weak.
Yeah, man, you know, when the baby coming 4 times, you know.
Me I get tired out. Me can't keep up like when me did just pregnant.
But one good thing I learned about a fighter will survive, right? Because when you check the ants them, it show you a levels. But dash some water upon some ants because I clear one place. The mad one them dead. But you see the biting one of the fight, it then up on top of a float. I'm gonna walk in the water, them bite me up same way. The mad one them dead gone. So you see the fighting one, always keep on fighting. But me not, if you continue fighting, I mean like fight for your relationship.
Boy, them shot dead from high school coming in life, you know. Say that dirty bab. I'm so cute. What happened a big tattoo on your too?
Well,
I some good looking man out there that look me, you know.
go get that one there jacket, tell
No.
us how feel with me.
No. When in that look me in the pain, man. Look at my big car. No, sir. I take up dirty football, but they walk foot. I used to get for 5 minutes in a rich him poor.
You don't breathe already by then find out.
Yeah. I mean, you know, before I bring money there with him. Because he don't have no farmer income.
Oh my God. Just pure type of go because I have 2 little cars into the one.
Cute and they food them dirty. Oh, I'm a dirty football, yeah, man. Damn. You know, me and hope I'm here to see you.
You know, I'm busy girl. I've one per year I do want something.
Oh. Remember that time there when I did tell life for you? So you owe me now. Yeah, you owe me a favor. But if I could do, you want to hear from me for free.
No, you have to pay me, girl. Business and business. You have to pay me.
So I have to pay you. So we can't hold you.
Nope.
Alright then, hold yourself. Me wire transfer the money to you.
Alright.
So come, when if you do one girl, but listen to me, see me wait this, we not good, I go do the girl here. Me no want come back out the road and here say, make you go somewhere go do somebody here.
Girl, I'm in a business where I can. I just want to say, I do the ear, I'm going to get my money.
Right, so that's how me want to do.
So I know?
I don't want to know.
Alright, come on.
Come on, walk up. Come on, girl. And you see the food when I saw that man, let me tell you this. You see whatever you see in there, so see it in there, I'm going to go do our hair, but you look presentable. Yeah, come on. Come on.
I don't know.
Okay, thank you. You know your way out. And remember, you know, see nothing in your song.
Alright, you're going to send the money, right?
Yeah, I'm going to transfer it. Yeah,
Okay, fine.
your hair look nice. You look so lovely. Yeah. You can have your feet.
Alright.
So if you eat with a one hand, me have put it one hand. A one hand if you eat with. Alright. Let me just. Let me put the key. Let me put the key. Alright. Remember, no loose things. Give me the hand. Oh, yes. You know you're lucky. You don't even know I'm lucky. You're lucky the time. Bang. Kuya man. Balande. You lock me up, you see? You never think safe here either. You never think I'm gonna lock up your back.
You never think me would have luck. Where food you can cook? I'm hungry. You know, keep me out of what you do to eat.
What call, Bob? Bob?
Hello?
Yeah. Come on, I'm there, you know, and it's like nothing now go on out here.
What you mean, babe? Just
Nothing no customer, nobody.
babe, just go and relax, man, and see sunset, you know, just wait on the sun. You see it's on tourists are forward, man, and you can just go and sell them, and go on, you know. You see people are coming, and after the rush thing, man, don't come down.
At 5 of them, I have and 3, so me have 2 left.
Yeah, right. You see, it's a good thing, so you sell out ties, so just go and sell them 2 there and then you come down, but... So what you say?
So me can't come down?
No,
Watch out
sunset. Watch out sunset. White people love what sunset. The tourists, them love what sunset. So you gotta wait for the sunset, and then you will see people, and then you sell them. So just go and eat, no be our day. Just go and wait until the sunset. You understand? So you eat already and them something there?
No, I'm just there for film. I try to sell off them something here. Before I eat still.
Alright then. So just make sure so you eat and them look a thing there.
Alright then, later.
Alright.
How are you there, so? You sell bangle on the beach.
Yeah.
Some people, them man, you take. Some of us take care of the beach where you sell bangle.
You talk about me, man. You talk about people, man.
Your man. The man will breed about 10 different women. So, me not wrong him still, you know. Because he have to stand there for go hustle. Anything I have to sell on this beach, you have to sell. Because guess what? You see, my daughter, baby, I have to get taken care of. I don't have time for you because I'm a young girl, I'm careless. See my room, nice clean room, I'm back over there, so I go lie down and relax.
Why am I busy? That's if you don't look for your daughter, you can't find. One of them can't go and try to sell them to you. Come on, go with them. I'm thinking, say, you have to stay to live, you know. Look at them.
Jesus Christ. Thank you, God. You know how long me did want to escape. Me can't believe that girl I have me for so much days. Part of her days. Oh God, me finally free, but she feel like say I never did I go kidnap her back. Alright. Me must can spend some time with Bob now.
How old is that?
Madam, ooh!
What are you talking about? That's enough. Anyways, you look happy though. You finally find the Riri and sister Riri.
No, me no want to pick the day. Up
Riri,
to the day,
come back.
I lie ya tell.
Riri, Mama, me tell her say Riri is Riri their road.
Where should I? Come
Riri
here,
all over
see
everywhere.
You know say he's a liar?
What are you talking about?
You know say he's a liar. I feel like say are you have my pick the boy? Which part you see my pick the?
Pick me up on the road.
Which part you see
Me
about?
say
Oh, you
everybody
wanna
see
see her, nobody else not see
Mama, I
her.
don't wanna see her. It's just that you don't see her, but me see her before you see her. You pick me their road.
Miss hey, little boy.
You pick me their road.
What me pick the? Which part I want me pick the? What me pick the?
Go and go look for your pick.
Okay, no boy. You see, number one, you know, me feel say you. They take out something to do when we are going to tell me about my picnic there road.
You see, everybody see
you see, I told me I come from about my business and I don't want to act up myself. But watch, make me
not believe me.
Me not believe you.
Alright, don't believe. Don't believe.
Which part of the picnic?
Don't believe.
Let me go see her. Can you say you see her? Which part? Road on the road, I do one.
Listen, I don't know where
You know what? Take care now for me.
Listen,
Dirty boy.
I don't know where your picnic live and I don't know where your picnic is. The whereabouts is, but I tell her, I see her, she come check one time, me back up in her, we talk. So she's there about the place. Go on, look at it.
I pick the about the place. It's alright, dirty boy. It's alright, dirty boy. No close boy. It's alright. It's alright. Are you me a talk?
What it is?
Hey boy. It's alright. Watch me and you. Dirty boy. Want me pick the part where I walk up and down. After you take my picnic and do what you want to do, my picnic you all drunk or you. But that's when I want them picnic and them not listen to you, them mama. But it's alright. I will catch you.
Oh, not me there. No, somebody just come back in the place.
How are you going there?
Me they go a country go cool out because I be a stress, them a stress me out. Baby never did a develop good and
Why? Everybody down here look for you.
after me never lost.
Me I tell them say good I want to look a place I can chill out, but they never they listening.
Oh, well, me they go chill out for true.
Well,
Because me did stress bad.
why you not stress again?
No, me alright. Alright, so me there drink up some blend up and some coconut water and something that I take care of me. My health.
Alright,
So
well,
me active up back.
so you're back in that place now.
Yes.
Alright,
Then
well,
I see Bob.
you know say last time I see Bob over his mother. Because his mother gone somewhere. So I'm around the yard now.
Okay then.
So, no say me say do I know. You never see me?
Yeah.
You never see nothing here. But I'm over the yard in there.
Alright.
So anyway, take care of yourself.
Yeah.
And exercise, but no go over the yard and make killer catch over there now.
Fella can't catch me.
Alright.
Alright.
Go check him
Yes.
and take him. And then
Hello? Riri? Riri, are you this? Little girl, look how long me a walk and I look for you. Where you there?
Alright, let's call until when you come down the road.
Where? Alright, me go meet you now because I need to talk to you then. Alright, me dey on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. I'm coming. Okay? Don't move. I need to speak to you because me not understand this. What happened? What go on? Why you mean you can't tell me? Alright, me I come now. Alright. Alright, hang up, me I come now.
God, why this palm me around?
Oi, where they come from?
Me na me one big man.
Where did they?
They mean never they hear me go country.
Country.
Yeah.
You did go a country? Little girl. Oh, you make them report your station say you're missing. I know you dey tell me say you did there a country.
Me go cool out because you got that and no stop provoke me. So me go cool out.
Oh my God, that catching at this.
Cause
Where
she
they-
a bother me.
Where the hell
Me
did they
go
come from?
take care of my baby because doctor say too much stress the baby now develop and one bag of sun, so me go drink coconut. Me go rest, take off some stress off of my brain. Because Bob and your goddaughter they stress me. So doctor said the baby now develop. So
You know, say me not trust you.
yesterday, why you not trust me with?
Me don't trust you.
You look.
Country you go? Little girl, me not trust you.
Oh,
A man yard, me the
You
bet
did see
right
me?
now. Me the bet you
You
right
did
now.
see me go man yard?
100,000 against 100,000 a man yard you did there.
Okay.
I make your mama come and rank herself.
Yeah.
With people. We don't know nothing about you. A sound of time.
How it time?
Always take on yourself and go on a man yard and
You
make
did see me
people.
go man yard?
Shut up when me I talk to you. You're bright. Don't talk while me I talk if you have manners. You think me your size?
You know say from other day.
Don't point in my face before me kick in your face, girl. How you feel like?
You know say from other day, yeah.
Don't point in my face. I'm gonna lick you down. You think me afraid of you and your mama?
So me afraid of you neither.
You think me afraid of you and your mama?
You
Which
know
man yard you did there?
That no have nothing to do with that.
You see it? What you mean? So a man yard you left go and make them a chat about how you're missing. How comes you missing?
You need to me missing?
Me see you missing? Girl, I ring with me again. You want me ring off your ears?
I see you candy.
Oi, hello. Stand up when me attack you and don't move. We are move up and down. So you have worm? You have worm?
Me go warn me mad about you.
Take your hand from out of my face.
Me go
No point for me no tall. You're out there. Me ask you a question. You can't tell me about say how a country. Me a try can. You when they a country. When a man yard they come from. You want wicked little girl. And make you.
You did see me?
Me have to see you.
So how you are
Me know how you stay, that's why you catch belly.
Oh.
Who to tell if a bab pick me this in your belly?
Your daughter catch belly too, and your goddaughter catch belly, so nothing wrong in me catch belly.
I don't catch it.
And what she do?
My goddaughter older than you.
So what?
She open up her shop door.
Be one more for me too.
For the grocery them go in. You? Yeah. I want a little, look here, nastiness.
Me
you need
the book for pen come in.
Where they run they go?
Cause you and them light.
My and them light.
You and them.
Because your mouth light and your tongue enough for you. That's why my and them get light. Little
Come
girl.
tongue enough for
Oh,
me.
Bob catching on this and me goddaughter. When
Because
you take for
you're too
yourself.
out of
You see
order.
anytime me see
You
Bob,
want to
come here.
disrespect
You
me.
see anytime me see Bob, come here. Come here. You feel say me a ramp with you. Anytime me see Bob, me a go take. Come me pull out your head. Come here. Anytime me see Bob, me a go tell Bob, say, this a belly and no feed.
Then I feel who?
What you mean?
Me
So you want
tell
to
Bob say, you see the pitney where your daughter they carry and a fee because your daughter they take how much money, you know?
You know say you idiot?
How
Me not
much
even go
man?
continue the conversation the way
You
you talk
can't
about.
continue
But
because
listen to me.
you don't know what your daughter they do.
And you don't know what your chat say.
You go like your daughter is saint, your daughter is no saint.
Yeah, you have to stop talking about my daughter and my goddaughter. Stop talking about the two of them.
Stop see me and talk about
Them
me.
alright.
Oh, me well
You
alright
love
too.
take people, man.
Me not tap take
That's
people,
why you
man.
breed. And right now, me the hotel Bob say when this a pick me a ban, if need to do a DNA because I no feel this a jacket.
Oh.
A jacket that.
And you-
Say one
the
contact.
belly, the penny where your daughter they carry a jacket. Don't worry about that. I don't worry about the belly now.
One is part of the gut. You see if he name pregnant a pump him in a gut.
That with Uno. Thump your daughter and I got.
Look on you too.
Cause she wore out now what?
Are you wore out and your
And your
mama wore
daughter
out?
wore out.
The whole of your mama dress them big and dirty now.
I see them.
Rotten name out your mama dress scratches. You're dirty like. Me say if I catch you, see I give you one box in your face. Your mama no teach you to wash your dirty drawers them. Nasty girl left people man alone, watch her. But she in a green blouse. A politics she a preach. Go on where you go drunk crack, I no like you. Last night you come over me yard, come yam out me food like a rat, you damn greedy dog. Me say me hate the girl, you see man. Wait till I catch you. Sure.
You need candy?
Wait, what happened?
No,
Awa?
I mean, me there from back in the days, man. You remember Kayla?
Where you try to?
No.
Kayla is my goddaughter and a baby mother. When you know about Kayla?
I know you from long, from them time when I was a Rasta now. You see me, I remember you, man. I don't know, man. I just hear me.
So, yell up who? I look me?
No.
Me no want you.
No, me I tell you, I'm just a foul night place and you are first somebody when me see. Where you going so far? I come to look for Kayla.
Yes, say me in a one good mood. And I say you come and approach me.
I'm not approaching you.
How you address me? Where me know you from? I come call up my goddaughter name. I look here, look my goddaughter. Hey, look here, if you know me know you go on this party, because I don't like you neither.
Have a nice day, man.
Go on about your dirty stinking business. Me no want you chat. Drunk go along which party they go. You know see a front they look for buy, but me now go up on the bridge tonight. Go on where you go dirty boy. You not even have no money, you're poor and bossy and broke like dog. Me say me hate them, you see Father God, you see when you see the broke man them and come run them. Sure. Me now go. What?
Because mommy tell me to go up on her right so. It's me no like we upon people.
My daughter.
Mommy, wow. No. We there. Me the go country go
No, my daughter. Where did they? You never done no country cool. Oh, you forgot country and tell me your mother. No go so. Tell me what's going on.
Mommy just say, Mommy, why? No, no, tell her this.
Tell me. Me need to know what's going on.
Say Kayla kidnapped me.
What you say?
Yes.
But say you know say the night when I see the little girl on the plaza that I try to talk to her son for live good, the little girl says something to me and when you miss her, I walk up and down all over the look for you, it reflecting on my mind and I'm saying this little girl has something to do with it.
Yeah.
I'm a piece of God, mama didn't know too, you know.
No, I'm not tell nobody, I'm just tell them I'm going to cool out. I don't want you to tell nobody because I kidnap her back.
Lord Jesus, my daughter, so me I try to avoid them crosses people there.
Them not
people that crosses and hold down, you know.
Me say, you see all the one candy she, you want, she a class, yo. But your panty, you're older than your panty, and your panty big. Me have a class.
Yeah, man, yes, she ever gonna have a problem with me, you know, because remember, so she mine, man. And man take her money, give me.
You're right.
So that's why she have a problem with me. And it's my fault. They are all miserable, and plus she mind the man still not look on her.
I rough on for your side.
Come, my daughter, boy, I'm glad you come back.
Boy, I'm glad me see you,
my baby, I'm glad, because them people, more you like them.
Yep. I get blocked, you know. I want some more cream on thing, huh? Oh, man, get blocked with you. Touch our God. Girl, it's who left me, but say go.
Them life here, I want to live.
Oh, go on, daddy-in-law.
Daddy-in-law, no touch my man.
Oh, God.
It means, say, out on the roadside, you sit down and say your baby father. You can't take care of baby. Look on you. A good a TikTok you depend.
No, sir, we don't depend.
Yo, listen to me, man. I don't saw this work, man. You have baby mother and baby. Oh, a weed there, bun. Look here, man. Listen to me now. You laugh.
Alright, I hear you, man. I hear you.
Listen to me, man. If you have a baby mother, you have to have work and probably have two work too. Two jobs you have to have. If you have baby mother. And you know, sit down out there and waste time. And I come talk about daddy-in-law. Let me tell you this. When you see me on the street, you don't know me, you know? You don't know me.
I go on someone.
No, when I go on so. Let me tell you this. If you go call me daddy-in-law, remember me tell you say you have to work, plus you have to hustle. I don't want any money, you know. But make sure me tell you this. Matter of fact, you know my son-in-law. You hear me I tell you?
Say I move so.
No, see me and talk to me when me on the road. I make nobody feel like say, me I same thing. Watch you sit down. Come on for this, sir. I'm going to find something to do.
Piece of grabber, you know.
Piece of which grabber? I might, yeah.
Alright. Big up yourself, here.
I know what time it is. Yes, I know what time it is. Cause my back is against the wall. And we rise when them want we fall. Yeah, man. We're gonna reach to the end of the movie there, right? We were working on the 9, you know, and bag of things. Give thanks for the patience, you know what I mean? We are putting the work as usual. We've been doing it. We just want to carry our 10. Just at the end, then we are well for a new show. You understand? So just look out, stay tuned, you know what I mean? We are do it, you know what I mean? And we have to say big up to all our supporters from that time. Big up to all the people who call me and say, wow, go on fire, bless up on yourself. The amount of people, I must start right down in name them. I tell them the truth, but I'm big up. Because we're from all across the island. Big up on yourself. All of my fans them, bless up. Give thanks, you know what I mean? Continue sharing, we continue working. You know what I mean? We continue caring. Well, I go on for this movie business. Well, the kids are checking me about the age. We can't work with any age and without parent supervision. So when the kids them want, if you want in one of the movie them, you have to carry your parents, have to carry your come. I want to contact me and I can say, alright, I'm going to bus in one of the movie them. But I can't respond to kids, you know what I mean? Because people have respond to themselves most of the time. You know what I mean? So I saw you go. But big up to all of the kids who aspire to be movie star. You know what I mean? Because you're a star. One idea then go reach the point part, you know. that we are work towards. We for the parents can have them go contract, then come sign, and the movie thing can is beneficiary and more profitable. So we're just doing the groundwork, the blueprint, you know what I mean? From dust, we have to rise it out and then you go see what it's like, you know what I mean? So we have to look on an appearance supervision, you know what I mean? So that's the thing most of the time still, you know what I mean? So big up to everybody if you're young and want to be an actress or actor, practice. So in front of the mirror, you practice, you have your phone, you do just one little thing, practice, become perfect. So when the time comes, you know what I mean? You just take it to the world. Because you're born with the talent. Believe in yourself, you know what I mean? Although nobody don't believe now, you believe in yourself. Although when them watch them out upon you, believe in yourself, man. Because only you can defeat yourself. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, that is it, man. So there I go and put in the work as usual. Big up to everybody. Empress G, big up yourself, burn it down to the ground. Yeah, man. Tats and Franco, big up yourself. Damien, the whole network. And I'm a long time I don't hear from Jews. Anybody see her hear from her? Tell her to give her a shout, man. So the number up on the screen, yeah. But anyway, we are gonna leave for the scene, yeah. Alright, let's go. Burn it down.